course for standard 11 and IIT JEE. Subject coded geometry. How to find perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. Question. Find equation of line which is equidistant from parallel lines 9x plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Solution. Equation of first line is 9x plus 6y minus 7 equal to 0, which is the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, with a equal to 9, b equal to c and c equal to minus 7. Equation of second line is 3x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0, or 9x plus 6y plus 18 equal to 0. This is the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, with a equal to 9, b equal to 6 and c2 equal to 18. Now equation of line parallel to one line is of the form 9x plus 6y plus k equal to 0. Hence a equal to 9, b equal to 6 and c3 equal to k. Given that the required line is equidistant from the two given lines, this implies c1 minus c3 by under root a square plus b square equal to c1 minus c2 by under root a square plus b square. This implies c1 minus c3 equal to c2 minus c3. This implies c1 minus c3 equal to plus minus c2 minus c3. This implies minus 7 minus k equal to 18 minus 7, or minus 7k equal to minus 18 plus k. This implies minus 7 equal to 18. This is absurd. Taking negative sign, minus 7 minus k equal to minus 18 plus k. This implies k equal to 11 by 2. This implies 9x plus 6y plus 11 by 2 equal to 0, which is the required equation. Question. If three lines with equations are y equal to m1x plus c1, y equal to m2x plus c2, and y equal to m3x plus c3 are concurrent, then show that m1 of c2 minus c3 plus m2 of c3 minus c1 plus m3 of c1 minus c2 equal to 0. Solution. Given equation of lines are y equal to m1x plus c, y c1, y equal to m2x plus c2, and y equal to m3x plus c3, which can be written like this: m1x minus y plus c1 equal to 0, m2x minus y plus c2 equal to 0, m3x minus y plus c3 equal to 0. On solution, first and second. By using cross multiplication, we get x equal to c1 minus c2 by m2 minus m1, y equal to m2 c2 minus m1 c2 by m2 minus m1. The third line also passes through this point. So this point also satisfies the equation. So after putting the value of x and y, we have m1 of c1 minus c2 plus m2 of c3 minus c1 plus m3 of c1 minus c2. Hence the result 2.